Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, I hope you are fine. So let's start. Friends, today we drop protein. It's so yummy. So let's go. Wow, look at this plank in his paint.
ABCs, next time won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs, next time won't you sing with me?
We draw eyes. We draw mouth and his teeth, happy face. Let's pumpkin with the painting. Morning. We say orange. We paint red color for our pink colors. Wow, pumpkin is very beautiful. It's my favorite channel. If you got to here, I wonder. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. And make my video, subscribe my channel, and like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't break the painting.